Have you ever wondered what secrets the ocean depths might hold? Could there be an underwater volcano 3 times the height of Mount Everest? Welcome to the fascinating world of underwater volcanoes. These fiery giants hidden beneath the waves are far more common than you might think. In fact, about 75% of all volcanic activity on Earth takes place under the sea. It's a world full of mysteries where the colossal forces of nature are constantly at play. Now imagine a volcano, not just any volcano, but one that dwarfs even the mighty Mount Everest. A volcanic giant that reaches a staggering height 3 times that of the world's tallest peak. It sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? Yet this isn't a figment of imagination, but a reality concealed beneath the vast expanse of the ocean. But exploring these underwater behemoths is not a simple task. The crushing pressures, the pitch-black darkness, and the extreme temperatures make the deep sea one of the most hostile environments on our planet. It's a place where even the most advanced technology is pushed to its limits. These challenging conditions have made the study of underwater volcanoes a daunting pursuit, often leaving more questions than answers. Yet despite these obstacles, scientists are making incredible strides in uncovering the secrets of these submerged giants. They're using cutting-edge technology like remotely operated vehicles and advanced sonar systems to probe the ocean's depths and bring the hidden world of underwater volcanoes to light. And the revelations are simply breathtaking. The largest volcano on Earth, it turns out, isn't where you'd expect to find it. It's not nestled among the towering peaks of the Himalayas or the rugged landscapes of the Andes. It's not even above water. So, the greatest volcano on Earth isn't where you might expect it. It's not even above water. It's in Hawaii, and it's called Mauna Loa. Mauna Loa, the Long Mountain, is a wonder of the natural world. Nestled in the heart of the Pacific, on the big island of Hawaii, this colossal natural structure stretches across a staggering 5,100 square miles, making it the world's largest active volcano. Its name, in the native Hawaiian language, translates to Long Mountain, an apt descriptor for a volcano that extends over 60 miles from the southern tip of the island to the northern coastline. It's a testament to the island's dynamic and ever-changing landscape, shaped and molded by the fiery forces of nature. Geologically speaking, Mauna Loa is a shield volcano, a term derived from its broad, shield-like shape. These types of volcanoes are characterized by their gentle slopes and vast size, formed over thousands of years by repeated, non-explosive eruptions of low-viscosity lava. The geological significance of Mauna Loa does not stop at its size or type. It is also one of the most active volcanoes on Earth, with its most recent eruption occurring in 1984. It's a stark reminder of the raw power and unpredictability of the natural world. But more than just a geological marvel, Mauna Loa is a crucial piece of the puzzle in our understanding of the Earth's climate. The Mauna Loa Observatory, perched high upon its slopes, has been monitoring and collecting data on atmospheric conditions since the 1950s, providing invaluable insights into the planet's climatic health. The scale of Mauna Loa is truly humbling. Its summit stands at over 13,000 feet above sea level, but when measured from its base beneath the ocean's surface, it reaches an astounding 30,000 feet. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest, the highest peak above sea level. And yet, the true scale of Mauna Loa is only appreciated when we look at the numbers. Numbers can tell us a lot about the world, and in the case of Mauna Loa, they paint a picture of awe-inspiring scale. Let's delve into the data. Mauna Loa, an active shield volcano located in Hawaii, is the largest volcano on Earth. When measured from its base at the bottom of the Pacific Ocean to its summit, it stands over 30,000 feet tall. That's more than twice the height of Mount Everest, the highest peak above sea level. In other words, if you stacked 2 Everests on top of each other, they would still fall short of Mauna Loa's towering height. But it's not just about height. The sheer volume of Mauna Loa is staggering too. It's estimated to be approximately 18,000 cubic miles. To put that into perspective, you could fit all the Great Lakes, Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, and Ontario, into Mauna Loa, and you'd still have room to spare. And let's not forget about the area it covers. Mauna Loa spans an area of over 5,000 square miles. That's larger than the entire state of Connecticut. To put it another way, it's as if you took the entire city of Los Angeles and multiplied it by 5. That's how enormous Mauna Loa is. Comparing Mauna Loa to other well-known landmarks helps us grasp its enormity. It's like trying to comprehend the size of a mountain by comparing it to a molehill. Except in this case, the molehills are some of the highest peaks and largest bodies of water on Earth. But Mauna Loa isn't just significant because of its size. It also plays an important role in our understanding of the Earth's climate. High atop Mauna Loa sits a research station that has been instrumental in our understanding of climate change. Perched more than 2 miles above the sea level, the Mauna Loa Observatory has been vigilantly monitoring our atmosphere since the mid-20th century. This remote facility, far from the influence of urban pollution, has been ideally placed to provide unadulterated atmospheric data. What makes the observatory truly significant is its role in measuring atmospheric carbon dioxide levels. It was here that scientist Charles David Keeling began his pioneering work in the late 1950s. Keeling's mission was to develop a precise method to measure carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, a feat never before achieved with consistency. His work led to what is now known as the Keeling curve, a graph that paints a stark picture of the rise in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels from the late 1950s to today. The graph shows an upward trend, a clear sign of increasing carbon dioxide concentrations in our atmosphere. This increase, largely attributed to human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, is a major contributor to global warming. The data collected at Mauna Loa has been instrumental in shaping our understanding of climate change. It has provided tangible, long-term evidence of the rapid increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide, giving scientists and policymakers the information they need to understand and tackle the issue of global warming. The Mauna Loa Observatory continues to be a vital hub for climate science. Every day it collects invaluable data, adding to a record that spans over half a century. This data is not just a record of our past, but a tool for understanding our present and predicting our future. As our planet faces the challenges of climate change, the work carried out on this giant Hawaiian volcano remains as relevant as ever. So Mauna Loa is not just a mountain or even just a volcano, it's a crucial part of our planet's story. Mauna Loa's story is far from over. This giant is still active, still growing, and still contributing to our understanding of the world. Indeed, Mauna Loa continues to be a dynamic presence in the world of geology. The volcano, which last erupted in 1984, is far from dormant. Scientists are constantly monitoring its activity, and it's not a question of if it will erupt again, but when. Each eruption, while potentially destructive, provides invaluable data that helps us better understand the forces that shape our planet. The future of Mauna Loa is as fascinating as its past. It's expected to continue growing, albeit at a glacial pace by human standards, adding to its already impressive stature. But growth isn't without its risks. The immense weight of Mauna Loa puts a lot of pressure on the seafloor, and some speculate that this could eventually trigger a massive landslide, which in turn could generate a tsunami. While this scenario might sound terrifying, it's important to remember that it's just one of many possibilities. But Mauna Loa isn't just about potential doom and gloom. It's also an essential contributor to science. The Mauna Loa Observatory, perched high on the volcano's slopes, has been keeping a continuous record of atmospheric carbon dioxide levels since the 1950s. This data has been instrumental in our understanding of climate change, and the observatory continues to play a vital role in ongoing climate research. Beyond the science, Mauna Loa also holds a special place in the hearts of the people of Hawaii. Its vast slopes provide habitats for unique flora and fauna. Its eruptions create new land, and its majestic presence is a reminder of the powerful natural forces that created these islands. So next time you think of the world's greatest mountains, remember Mauna Loa, the sleeping giant beneath the waves. This mountain, hidden mostly beneath the ocean, is not only a geological wonder, but also a symbol of the ever-changing and awe-inspiring nature of our planet.